Welcome to Touring Globe. If you are planning to travel alone for the first time, here is how to travel safely. Detailed tips and hacks for first-time solo travelers. Traveling solo opens up a world of adventure and personal growth. To ensure a smooth and safe journey, here's a detailed guide with practical tips and hacks for first-time solo travelers. 1. Preparation and planning. Research your destination thoroughly. Understand local culture. Read up on cultural norms, etiquette, and any specific customs that might affect your visit. Websites, travel books, and blogs from fellow travelers can provide valuable insights. Know local scams. Familiarize yourself with common scams in your destination to avoid falling victim. Local forums and travel advisories often list prevalent scams and how to avoid them. Health and safety preparations. Get vaccinations and health insurance. Ensure vaccinations are up to date based on your destination. Obtain travel insurance that covers health issues, theft, and trip cancellations. Pack a first aid kit. Include items like antiseptic wipes, bandages, motion sickness pills, and any specific medications you might need. A compact first aid kit is a lifesaver for minor ailments and injuries. Documents and money. Carry copies of important documents. Make photocopies or digital copies of your passport, visa, travel insurance, and credit cards. Store these copies separately from the originals in case of loss or theft. Bring a multi-currency wallet. Use a wallet that can hold multiple currencies and keeps your money and cards organized. This is especially useful if traveling through different countries. 2. Accommodation choices. Opt for safe and social accommodations. Stay in well-reviewed places. Choose accommodations with high ratings on trusted travel platforms like TripAdvisor, Booking.com, or Airbnb. Look for reviews mentioning safety and cleanliness. Consider company living spaces. Co-living spaces or boutique hostels often provide a social environment while maintaining high safety standards. These can be great for meeting other travelers. Secure your belongings. Use a portable safe. For extra security, use a portable safe or lockbox to store valuables in your accommodation. Ensure your room has a secure place to attach it. Lock your luggage. Use a luggage lock or a combination lock to secure your belongings while you're out and about. This adds an extra layer of protection against theft. 3. Staying connected and informed. Maintain communication. Use a local SIM card or portable Wi-Fi. Purchase a local SIM card or rent a portable Wi-Fi device to ensure reliable internet access. This helps with navigation, communication, and finding local information. Set up emergency contacts. Save important contacts, including local emergency services, your country's embassy, and emergency contacts back home, in your phone, and keep a physical copy as well. Leverage technology. Download offline maps. Apps like Google Maps allow you to download maps for offline use. This is crucial if you lose internet access while exploring. Use safety apps. Download safety apps like TripWhistle for emergency contacts, Maps.me for offline navigation, and WhatsApp for communication. 4. Meeting people and socializing. Socialize safely. Join group tours and activities. Group tours and activities are excellent ways to meet people in a structured and safe environment. They also offer a chance to learn about the destination from local experts. Engage in social spaces. Use common areas in hostels or co-living spaces to strike up conversations with fellow travelers. Shared kitchens, lounges, and organized events are good places to meet people. Be cautious. Meet in public places. If meeting new people, always choose public and well-populated places. Avoid private or isolated locations until you get to know the person better. Trust your instincts. If a situation or person feels off, trust your gut feeling and remove yourself from the situation. Safety should always be your top priority. 5. Personal safety and self-care. Stay aware of your surroundings. Use anti-theft gear. Consider using anti-theft backpacks or money belts. These are designed with hidden compartments and lockable zippers to protect your valuables. Be mindful of personal space. In crowded areas or public transport, be conscious of your belongings and avoid displaying expensive items. Keep bags zipped and close to your body. Self-care tips. Stay hydrated and eat well. drink plenty of water, and eat balanced meals to maintain your energy levels. Avoid excessive caffeine or alcohol, which can dehydrate you or affect your mood. Take time to rest. Solo travel can be exhausting. Schedule regular breaks and downtime to rest and recharge. Prioritize sleep and relaxation to avoid burnout. Health and safety hacks. Use a personal alarm. A small personal alarm can be a handy tool for emergencies. It can draw attention if you feel threatened and deter potential threats. Practice basic self-defense. Knowing a few basic self-defense moves can boost your confidence and help you handle unexpected situations. Consider taking a self-defense class before your trip. 6. Transportation and navigation. Use safe transportation options. Choose reliable services. Opt for well-reviewed and reliable transportation services. Use reputable ride-sharing apps or official taxi services instead of unregulated options. Verify vehicle details. When using ride-sharing apps, confirm the driver's identity, vehicle model, and license plate before getting in the car. Navigation tips. Plan routes ahead. Before heading out, plan your routes and familiarize yourself with the public transport system. This reduces the risk of getting lost and makes navigating easier. Carry a small notebook. Keep a small notebook with important addresses, directions, and local phrases. This can be useful if you need to ask for help or write down directions. By following these detailed tips and hacks, you can enjoy your solo travel experience with greater confidence and safety. Embrace the adventure while staying mindful of your surroundings and taking proactive measures to protect yourself. Safe travels. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe. See you in the next video.